Ni kubaya manze. Equity Group, or as most of us know it here in Kenya, Equity Bank, has just fired 2,000 employees. That is mind-blowing. This comes after an audit that uncovered irregularities in employees' accounts and customers' transactions. According to the media, Equity Bank's ethics and conduct audit flagged suspicious inflows into employees' salary accounts and mobile wallets. Mobile wallets hapa wanamaanisha M-Pesa statements wase. So vile story ina flow ati wadosi wa Equity waliitisha lifestyle audit za wase, like staff. If there's any cash inflows that cannot be explained, then you are forwarded to disciplinary. And then if you can't explain or bail yourself out, then you're dismissed. Guys, this is crazy. This is sensitive in itself. So kama kuna side hustle, mse kuwa careful. Na pia usikuwe mrahisi kuambia wenzako. Juu kuna wale wase watakuchomea tu, wataenda waambie mabosi. So kama kuna side hustle, jua vile utajisort, because I'm sure this is gonna sweep across all other industries. So this is a warning sign. But wacha tuendelee na story. So staff were required to explain deposits that exceeded their earnings. Those unable to justify the funds were subject to disciplinary hearings and exited with only basic dues. Actually, the story na flow ati hata kama ulikuwa na accrued benefits over a long time, tuseme umechapa job Equity muda mrefu na kuna benefits kadhaa zenye ulikuwa unafaa kupata, hizo zote zilikuwa dismissed. Wacha tuendelee. Despite the staff exit, the bank's wage bill rose after an average 20% pay increase was implemented and backdated by 2 months. Nasikia story venye iko interesting. So wanasema ati kama after the audit ulipatikana we hauna makosa, like umekuwa ethical, hujaibia bank ni na nini, mshahara yako imeongezwa na 20%. So kama ulikuwa unachukua 100k, sasa mshahara ni 120,000 Kenya shillings. Yeah, and that is backdated by 2 months. So it means you're gonna receive for the past 2 months as well. So like 40,000 bob from nowhere. So that's a good thing to reward those who are ethical and those that have integrity. Anyways, let's continue. Staff cost grew 19.2% in the 9 months to September, reaching 28.5 billion Kenya shillings. The lender raised salaries for its permanent staff, capping entry-level salaries at about 116,000 Kenya shillings, up from 65,000. So inamaanisha like Equity lowest entry salary ilikuwa 65,000 for those that are confirmed meaning umeandikwa kazi permanent, but imekuwa raised all the way up to 116,000. So in Equity sahi hakuna mtu akiandikwa kazi permanent, hakuna mtu anapokea chini ya 116,000 Kenya shillings. Na hiyo pia imeraise wage bill yao to 28.5 billion. But I know Equity makes a lot of money in profit, so that's not an issue really. The pay rise is part of the lender's new compensation structure that adjusts compensation in line with business performance. The latest crackdown adds to other similar fraud cases involving employees, including senior managers across various branches. In May of 2025, this year, Equity sacked over 100 employees over theft that saw the lender lose about 1.5 billion Kenya shillings in 2024. Yeah, so nasikia ati Equity imekuwaga victim as a bank ya hizi insider dealing fraudulent related cases where wase wa ndani wanachapa kazi na wase wa nje, alafu do inakuwa siphoned tu, na unapata most of the time malalamishi huku nje wasa wanasema ni juu ati Equity inalipa pesa kidogo, like those are the rumors. Na I think ndio maana hii bank imerespond with increasing the lowest or minimum entry salary from 65,000 to 116. But wacha tuendelee. The theft, allegedly orchestrated by an insider in collaboration with external players, raised serious questions about internal integrity and spurred a wider audit of staff conduct. Equity Group CEO or boss James Mwangi said the investigation dug deep into whether staff were compromised in their dealings with customers and service providers. The bank focused on transactions involving suppliers, procurement, insurance claims, and loan processing. Hasa hapa kwa loan processing, hapa ndio do kwanza uibiwa sana. Unapata wase ndio process loan faster, angalia due diligence. Due diligence ni vitu kama, kuna vitu kadhaa, unajua nimeshaichapa kazi bank, so kuna vitu kadhaa kama kuna kitu tunaita Campari, like Campari unaangalia capacity to pay, sijui kan takumbuka everything. But yeah, so kuna vitu kadhaa wa unaangalia customer kama ana qualify ku repay hiyo loan. Na vitu kama hizo unapata wase walikuwa wanaitisha money from customers so that they can just give them loans amount that they could never, according to their capacity, they could never pay back. So when they get that amount, of course, the bank, if someone is not able to pay, the bank normally has insured loans, like that amount is normally insured against. So the bank will write it off, meaning huyu mse hata ilipa hiyo loan na hakuna mahali mtampeleka, atajideclare bankrupt, but hiyo do atakuwa amekula pamoja na mse wa bank, the insider guy mwenye alisaidia huyu mse kupata hiyo loan. And that's how like money is actually taken away. So I think I'm not shocked seeing this. Alafu anasema we were shocked. Usan James Mwangi anasema we were shocked that we could see money exchanging hands between. We didn't know whether it is appreciation, whether it is kickback. Mwangi said some employees had been receiving unexplained deposits, either in their salary accounts or in their registered M-Pesa numbers, from entities linked to the bank, including customers and colleagues. Those who failed to justify the transactions are dismissed and given 14 days to appeal. So even though kesi inaenda mse, like kama umefutwa kazi, unafaa kwenda kotini ujitetee, of which most of the time unajua. Na wase wengi wanasema ti, I know my rights, you can't just fire me with no reason, with no proof beyond reasonable doubt that I'm a fraudster and stuff like that. But kitu watu wajui, ukisha sign ile code of conduct na ethics na ukisha breach hata kamoja, the employer anakuwa na power sana. Na plus I think the bank has already gone ahead to the court to place a statement, I think to the police station or something like that. Ndio hata ukienda kusu hiyo bank unapata ka statement tayari iko hapo na wao kuna hizi proof, unaona. So it's going to be very difficult for those guys who have lost their jobs, but this is an interesting time as well. So guys, this is a call to action and a warning sign. If you are double dealing out there or doing some unethical stuff, watch out manze. Yani already our unemployment rate is very high, and again we're seeing such kind of stuff. It's scary. But anyway, subscribe guys. This is a new channel. I'm GTalio from Motorcycle channel, but I love talking about money, investment and building wealth, and I've started a new channel just to specifically focus on that, so that I don't keep saying these things while I'm talking about motorcycle stuff and adventures. So watch out in this channel for more tips on how to grow your wealth. I'll be talking about things, investment like bonds, stocks, complicated stuff, but most related to Kenya and East Africa or Africa at large. Yeah, see you. Make sure to subscribe and bye.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough, I wanna hate this, I'll always show up.